In this video, I am going to answer all your doubts and queries regarding work permits in the Netherlands. I always get this question asking about getting work permits or work visa in the Netherlands, hence thought of making a video on this topic. Before proceeding further, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any notification of my upcoming videos. Hi, I am Tina. I am an IT professional in a reputed company. Let me first explain you the types of work permits available in the Netherlands. There are 5 types of work permits available in the Netherlands. First is TWV work permits, HSM work permit, EU Blue Card, ICT work permit, GVVA work permit. Now let's dig into one by one. The first type of work permit is TWV work permit. The TWV work permit is usually required for non-EU student. If you are a non-EU student and you want to work alongside with your studies, then you can work 16 hours a week during the year or full time only in the month of June, July and August, but only with TWV work permit. Your employer has to apply for your TWV work permit at least 5 weeks prior to your start of the employment. The application is free of charge, but you cannot apply for your work permit by yourself. This is the website for your employer so that he can apply for your work permit as a work student. Sometimes employer may not be aware of providing such work permit for part-time jobs, so it is your responsibility to ask your employer to provide TWV work permit so that it will keep you out of trouble and fine. The second type of work permit is HSM work permit. This work permit or visa, also called as highly skilled migrant work visa. To get HSM work visa, you must meet certain requirements. First thing first, you must have sponsorship from an employer situated in the Netherlands. And now, how you will get the sponsorship? For that, you have to apply job in online. Yes, you have to apply job in online like in LinkedIn. For my point of view and knowledge, LinkedIn is the better way to apply online job application. Once you get the job, the next thing, you must meet salary requirements. And if you are age in under 30, then your gross salary must be 3,484 euro per month. And if you are older than 30, then your offered salary must be 4,752 euro gross per month. In HSM work visa, you can work for maximum of 5 years, and after that you can renew your work permit. There are some other benefits if you are holding HSM work visa, and if you want to know more, then please comment below so that I will make a separate video on this. The third type is EU Blue Card. This is another type of work permit which is not only valid to work for the Netherlands but also valid to work for the entire European Union. But the EU Blue Card is only valid for 4 years, whereas HSM is valid for 5 years. Your education level must bar with most of the Dutch bachelor level because it will be verified in the Dutch office known as IDW. Your EU Blue Card validity can be renewed if you have still the valid work contract and the salary threshold is met. For EU Blue Card, the salary threshold is gross monthly salary of 5,567 euro, and that is huge. The fourth type is ICT work permit. ICT stands for intra-corporate transferees. It is a single permit. ICT majorly issued to a designation holding manager or specialists. Then the validity of the work period will be 3 years, and if ICT is issued to a trainee, then the validity of the work period will be 1 year. After expiration of the maximum period, the new ICT can only be obtained after 6 months break. During these 6 months, employee must reside outside the EU. The fifth type is GVVA work permit. With GVVA work permit, the foreign employee simultaneously obtain for the legal stay and the work authorization in the Netherlands. Usually employer apply for the GVVA, but employee also can do as well. For this work permit, employer does not need to be a recognized sponsor. So for this work permit, professions like chef employed in Asian restaurants, spiritual professionals, monks, arts and entertainment professionals can apply for this work permit. So these were the 5 work permits available in the Netherlands. I still have not talked about the dependent visa, getting permanent residence card, Dutch education system and higher studies in the Netherlands. Hence videos are coming soon. Requesting you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of those videos, and till the next time, bye.